Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Stock Investing and Trading 101. Today we're having another great day trading the markets. We're up nearly $700 today, 2.5% in one day. The market has been on fire the past couple of days after having a small little pullback correction, which is pretty much what I've been waiting for. In my last video, I showed you guys, it was in early July. We were at all-time highs, probably somewhere between here and the 7th and the 13th, and I was calling for a small correction or pullback to happen sometime in the next couple of weeks to 2 to 3 weeks, and that's pretty much what happened. It was relatively small of a pullback, but even at a small pullback like this, there's plenty of opportunities, there's plenty of money to be made. So at this point, when I was calling for a small pullback, I was buying VIX calls, which is long volatility. So the VIX spiked from like 15 up to 24, so the VIX calls did really well. I also had plenty of cash available in buying power to buy the dip. Obviously, you want to buy low and sell high. So if stocks are correcting, that's typically the best time to buy. A lot of people say don't catch a falling knife, but if you can analyze charts properly and identify extreme oversold companies, that's a great time to buy, in my opinion, as long as the company is a good company, a growing company with good financials behind it. So that's pretty much how we've been profiting. We went from negative for the week back up to positive, up 3% this week, up $800, and this all happened in the last 2 days. So what am I doing currently, and what's the plan moving forward for me? So I aggressively bought the dip about 3 days ago when the market made this short-term bottom on July 19th. I aggressively bought. I actually took some leverage out and bought very aggressively. Since then, I've trimmed, I've sold, and taken a lot of profits, but I'm still aggressively invested. That's partly because I'm a long-term investor. At the heart of things, I do like to, actively trade and manage my positions. But at the end of the day, I do like to have a bias towards the long side of the market, just because, the trend over the long term has been going up, and investing is a great way to build wealth over time. But I have trimmed my positions, so I do have that cash available as buying power in case, we have a little pullback from here or a retracement. I also bought one VIX call. So usually I trade, 2 to 3 VIX calls at a time for hedging this type of portfolio. Right now, with the VIX still kind of high, I bought one call, so we have a little bit of protection. We have some cash available for protection as well. But overall, we are long. I'm looking to buy high-quality stocks. There are a little bit of value in cyclical stocks like the airlines, like the automakers, some of the banks, stuff like that. But I do have a bias towards the semiconductors and technology stocks. Especially Netflix is down pretty good today. It might be a buying opportunity with the rest of the NASDAQ being really strong and still kind of towards the all-time highs. Netflix has had a somewhat significant pullback. So I also have some dividend plays, Philip Morris, the banks, Hasbro, Chevron. I've built quite a position when it dipped below 100. It was actually at like 95, which I think was a great price, and it's already back up to 100. So yeah, that's my current positions. We also have a very small position in crypto, and just a speculative, risky position, but that's the portfolio, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check the video description. You can get free stocks from Public, First Trade, Webull, and Robinhood. And stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.